Hey yo, are we filming? Yeah yo.
You're simping for Maya. What is your comment on that, William?
Me? Just hanging around.
Oh, y'all ass are being recorded, bro.
Hanging around.
Y'all ass being leaked. Have you seen Star Wars? Oh, the sweeter things.
Nu tror jeg, vi har det hele for os selv, Jan. Jeg har brug for en.
Jeg har kun siddet der i en anden sektion, og den overvejede jeg også til det.
Jeg står med nogen.
Wow, Magne! Okay. So now we're doing the, you know, the MMA fighting games or something like that. Okay, and Noah is ready to fight against Magni. Let's see who's going to win. Oh, Noah, Magni hits himself. Okay, Magni's out. Noah is now battling William. Let's go. William is about to take a hit. Let's go. Oh, strong hit, but a good defense as well. Noah with the several hits here. William loses his bat. And it seems like William is in a bit of a pickle here, but Noah, he falls and William has won. Let's go. Okay, now it's the Iron League. Magni versus William. Let's go. Strong hit to start off with, but they're both falling in the water. Go, Magne.
Ja, der ligger bunden.
Decided to go have a drink or something like that, and then we'll finish up in here, and after that we'll go into the city where there's some restaurants and some ice cream stores and something like that, and then we'll finish off the day there.
Jeg er ikke